I've got a kid's Tesla here for less, and we're going to see what things sets a kid's Tesla alarm off. Oh, happy to time. Okay, so first, I'm going to get my keys.
What you got there?
My keys.
Right.
I'm going to put them far away from the car, because you know, it needs to be far away. And finally to go some here, nice and, yeah, there we go. So now, we're going to throw some like balls at it. First, I'm just going to do a golf ball. As you'll see in some of my usual videos of me whacking a golf ball. Okay, see. Barely touched it.
No, well, that ain't going to set anything off, is it?
I barely touched it.
You missed the actual car.
Almost. Okay, so let's go for the side of this one. Yeah,
Well, you missed it again. It kind of bounced off it, but that ain't setting no alarm off.
just try this one again. Yeah, that definitely hit it.
Not set the alarm off, though.
No, it didn't.
Ooh. Nothing.
I've got a feeling that I might put this one a bit harder.
Okay.
Do you want to do this one?
No, you do it. Smashing your car up.
Whoa! Whoa, go on! It's good.
Don't get the kid, turn it off, Max. Real Tesla. Oh, you've done it. Okay.
So, now we've done one alarm, we're going to see if it triggers the sentry mode. So, I'm going to walk around it. Oh. I'm going to look into a window now. That window? Can't see anything. See. Right. Tapping.
I think you've got to do it on a camera, near the camera.
Well, my blue. If I do it into the front camera. Come on. Yeah, sentry mode's on. Sentry mode is on. Still no alarm. It says sentry mode on here. Sentry recording. I'll move the car then.
Give it a good shake.
Come on. Come on. Yeah. Right, I'm gonna go get the
Get the key, get the keys. Oh, neighbourhood's going mad. I can't see the sentry mode on, yeah.
Takes a while to turn it off.
Yeah.
Okay, we're just gonna do a shout out to Archie, and he commented, "When's the next video?" And that's today.
Here it is.
If you're watching, Archie, if you want to do a video like this, comment down below. Okay, so we're gonna do 2 more alarm tests.
That's going to set it off straight away, isn't it? Let's have a look at that ball. It's heavy. Right.
I think I'm gonna go for the back this time.
Right. Straight away. Go and get your key. He's off to get his key. Here he comes. Whew.
Okay, so you also get a notification on your phone. If you don't know, when your Tesla alarm goes off, if you're at work or school, and you just get a notification on your phone.
So if that goes off,
Yeah.
it'll tell you.
You run back to your car, get your key.
Get the baddies.
Yeah.
Right, go on then. Let's do one more.
One more ball.
Because your car's getting a bit battered.
And
Let's
then-
have a look at the back. Is there a dent from that? Massive. No, there's no dents. You did whack it a bit hard, mate.
Yeah, so this is the last ball.
Right.
And then I might do something else to set it off.
Okay.
Why have I not done this? Okay. Let's do it for the fun.
Alright. Wow. Oh, you set it off straight away. Go and get your key.
Got it. Come on. Stop. Right. I'm gonna go and put the key back. Okay. So, this is the last alarm test. I'm gonna climb in, which means you are gonna have to get the key for me.
Alright.
Okay.
So you put the key back.
Yeah.
So why did you put the key away?
Because if it's not far away, it won't go off.
Because it thinks you're getting in. So it thinks it's the owner.
Yeah, it thinks, well, I am actually the owner.
But if you've got the key on you, the alarm won't go off.
Yeah, but
Oh,
even
okay.
if I've got my phone on me,
It won't.
it still won't.
So your phone's over there and your key.
Yeah.
Ah.
Everything to get in.
You have to explain it to old fogies like me.
So you can't get in.
No,
Okay.
door's locked.
Right, I'm gonna climb in now. I've forgotten how I do it. Oh yeah.
You've forgotten how you do it. That's obviously going to set it off then.
Ow.
Oh, it's not going off. Maybe if you like wiggle the wheel or something. There you go.
Go.
I've got to get it.
Yeah, go. Go.
Yeah, quick.
You dropped it. Throw it right there. Now the end of the video.
You're never lost for words. Come on then, finish off.
So it's the end of the video.
What you got to do if you want to watch more Club Max.
If you want to watch more Club Max,
You've got to.
subscribe,
And?
like, and comment down below.
Yes,
Right. Can I get out now?
yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe.